Hi guys, it's me Raymond here again with the portfolio class for Unit 9, and here we're making changes and corrections for our online portfolio and print portfolio. And here that's what I did for the online portfolio is mostly just labeling my work and enlarging my canvas more, because I noticed that my canvas were a bit tiny, so I enlarged mostly the wide ones, and they look considerably really better, and you can see the details much more clearly. And oh yeah, and you guys, well, one commentator said, hey, this could need some titles, for your artwork, because if someone's trying to review your work and they're trying to tell you, hey, what's the name of this painting here? What's the name of this painting here? It's not going to look very professional of someone asking you what the title is your work all the time. And oh man, especially like this one, like you don't even know what to call this without this having like a title. And brief details I did are, like this, like hey, this is a landscape study, and that was out of the not consideration, but of what other people, professionals do. They just have very brief details about their work, especially if you go out into ArtStation, and if they have like personal projects, their details are just going to be very brief, not unless they're working on professional projects, like if they're working on video games that are going to sell, or an animated movie project. Then yeah, they're going to have some backstory to that, because hey, they worked on a movie or video game, and yeah, they professionals, they really like to look for experience. Not professionals, art directors, and whoever's gonna hire you. But I did put some backstories, like mostly like this one here for the Nyarlathotep, and some over here too on the Chupacabra, and that's about it. Because my art pieces, even though they look pretty good, they're not that all, how do you say, not really worth describing more into it, because there's a lot more pieces that are better in this one, and they only have really brief descriptions. And here, like the last one here of my concept art. Yeah, had some fun designing the alien and how its gadgets functions. The only part was trying to find out how the final should look like, as there are many possibilities. And here, yeah, it's just short and sweet, to the point. And yeah, here for the print portfolio, I especially made some changes to this one, especially with the canvases. Like if you guys remembered, for the first one, I had like 4 canvases and one 10x8, and that did not look very good, especially if you're gonna try to print something with these canvases that small. And so I only kept the 2 and enlarged them both. The only thing I really don't like is just how cluttered the portfolio look, mostly with the descriptions of my pieces. But I can always go back and just delete and just have the titles there. I only kept them because, for the assignment, what the assignment asks for is the description of the work. And so I I just kept descriptions, you know, just for the grade, really. This one looks pretty good. Right, kitty? Alright guys, that's about it. What do you guys think of my portfolio? Can there be make any more changes to my work? And can you try to find, I don't know, a way how to make this less cluttered? Yeah, let me sorry. Let me know, and yeah, I'll see you guys. Bye.